with a new topic, that is the RS configuration. Now you are able to see that we have to find out the RS configuration. So V for vertical, I am using V means vertical and H means horizontal. अगर जब मैं V बोलूँगा that means vertical and H means horizontal. अगर vertical, C for clockwise, A for anti clockwise. C for clock, A for anti-clock. Vertical clockwise R, vertical anti-clockwise S. Horizontal clockwise S, horizontal anti-clockwise R. Okay. So we have to find out the RS configuration. In this question, now you are able to see that H is a least priority group, so we take it as a dash position, okay, or we not take it any one position. Now higher atomic number we give one number, जिसका एटॉमिक मास ज़्यादा उसको नंबर देंगे 1. So we can say higher atomic mass give number 1. Okay. Now in this carbon you are able to see that this is a carbon having a F, but this carbon is having a carbon having a 3 hydrogen. So this carbon containing OHF, so we give priority 2 on the below compound and 3 on this 1 2 3 1 2 3 clockwise. So horizontal, this is a horizontal position. So least priority group is on the horizontal clockwise. When we go for a horizontal clockwise, that means S. तो अपन बोल सकते हैं horizontal में clockwise पे क्या आ रहा है S. तो ये configuration क्या होगा अपना S configuration. Okay. वैसे अगर अपन दूसरा क्वेश्चन देखें, so we have to go forward for a next question. In this H is a least priority group. We take it OH as a 1. Then the below group we can give 2. And the above is 3. 1 2 3. This is again horizontal clockwise S. Now we have to give second chiral carbon RS configuration. For RS configuration you have to find you have to know that the carbon is a chiral. What do you mean by chiral? Chiral is nothing but carbon atom containing 4 different group X, Y, Z, W. They all are different group, and this is a sp3, not sp2. So in this dash priority is H again on the horizontal. OH is the first priority group. Then this is the carbon containing oxygen. This is carbon containing only one oxygen. This is containing 2 oxygen. So priority 2 and this is a 3. So 1 2 3 again horizontal clockwise. This means S. So in this both chiral carbon above and below both are containing S configuration. So guys, I think this is very clear to you. Now we go forward for a next question. Now you are able to see that this is a chiral carbon, this is a chiral carbon, this is a chiral carbon. First of all you have to check the where you find the RS configuration, is it a chiral or not. अगर कार्बन chiral है तो आपको देखना पड़ेगा, तो ही आप RS configuration देख सकते हो, अदरवाइज आप RS configuration नहीं देख सकते. Okay. Now we have to select the least priority group. Again we have to find out the higher atomic mass as a 1 number. Okay, this is a 1 number. Now this carbon below carbon attached containing a chlorine and bromine, but the above carbon containing a hydrogen. So we give 1, the below is 2, and this is a 3. 1 2 3 horizontal anti-clockwise. Horizontal anti-clockwise means R. Now in this you are able to see that this is a chiral carbon, this is a chiral carbon. Okay, above carbon containing fluorine and hydrogen, and the below carbon containing chlorine, iodine. So we have to select, this is the least priority group, above group is the least priority group. Now we have to give the higher atomic number is number 1. अपन यहाँ पे अब हायर एटॉमिक मास को नंबर 1 देंगे, तो 1 2 3, तो 1 2 3 चले, दिस इज अ 3. ओके, दिस इज अ 3, तो 1 2 3 चले, तो 1 2 3 एंड वर्टिकल, दिस इज अ वर्टिकल इज अ लीस्ट प्रायोरिटी ग्रुप. वर्टिकल वी सेलेक्ट द लीस्ट प्रायोरिटी ग्रुप. सो वर्टिकल इज अ लीस्ट प्रायोरिटी ग्रुप, और वर्टिकल क्लॉकवाइज, वर्टिकल क्लॉक मीन्स आर, वर्टिकल क्लॉक मीन्स आर, horizontal anti-clock is also R. Now we have to select the below chiral carbon. दिस इज अ लीस्ट प्रायोरिटी, लीस्ट एटॉमिक नंबर वी कैन ऑल्सो से दैट, जिसका एटॉमिक नंबर सबसे कम उसको लीस्ट नंबर दे दो। अब यहाँ पे आर एस देखना है, तो हायर एटॉमिक मास को नंबर 1 देन 2, दिस कार्बन इज अटैच विद अबव इज ऑल्सो बी अ कार्बन, दिस इज आयोडीन, आयोडीन एटॉमिक मास, जिसका एटॉमिक मास सबसे ज़्यादा उसका नंबर 1, तो 1 2 3 चलेंगे। जब 1 2 3 चलेंगे 1 2 3, तो वर्टिकल clock means R, so this is also be R. I hope guys this is very clear to you. Thank you so much for our next video.